Boy, have I got some great tips for you regarding stabilizer and a product called ShapeFlex 101. So I'm about to make my Frosty the Door Hanger from our pattern Snow Munch Fun in the Hoop. This little guide is 30,000 stitches when you stitch it out. So the rule of thumb is use one piece of stabilizer per 10,000 stitches. So I've got 2 pieces of stabilizer. That would be for 20,000. I need 10,000 more. I need one more piece for the last 10,000. And having that much stabilizer is what keeps the design from puckering. So I have the 2 sheets of water soluble, and now I'm going to do something with the ShapeFlex 101. This is what ShapeFlex looks like. It comes in a bolt. It's got fabric on one side and glue on the other side right here, and it's very sheer. And you can get it at your fabric store, your quilt shop. And my quilt shop will actually sell me the entire bolt because I use so much of it. What I want to do is I want to put the ShapeFlex behind this piece of fabric right here to act as a piece of stabilizer. So here I've got, and I did it on the front piece and the back piece, so it'll be on the front and the back. You can see that my ShapeFlex does not come to the very edge. I cut it 1/4 inch shorter on all 4 sides, and I do that because when I'm pressing it, that way it's not the glue part. If it extends past my fabric, it's not going to get onto my ironing mat. Or if I'm pressing it this way and the ShapeFlex glue part is sticking up, it's not going to get on my iron. The other thing that I use ShapeFlex for is sometimes when I'm using a piece of fabric, like I'm going to use white for the snowman, if I had just regular white and threw it over here, you would probably see the blue behind it. But what I've done is I have lined the back of my white fabric with the ShapeFlex. Just one more thing you can do with that. I hope you enjoyed these tips.